Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we will go straight over to those Bitcoin charts. So yeah, Bitcoin on the 4 hour. Yeah, we continue the grind upwards. The double top didn't play out yesterday, just a bit of a pullback, and now onwards and upwards. We did get to the 4 hour 9 where we had a bit of a pullback. And we currently are just hovering around that level, basically at our highs. So I mean, trend is your friend until the end of the trend. At some point, we are gonna get a pullback in Bitcoin. But yeah, that time is not yet. What I will draw on the chart today, though, because it does look pretty obvious, not that it has to necessarily break out to the downside. But we do have a rising wedge forming here. If we want to draw this on, rising wedge, depending on exactly where we want to draw it from. Yeah, rising wedge, which do typically break out to the downside, but obviously they don't have to. I've seen plenty of rising wedges, especially in Bitcoin, break out to the upside. But yeah, rising wedge nonetheless. And then we also have this the underside of this trend line here as well. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. We will keep an eye on that. Obviously, breaking above this trend line could obviously trigger well, a move into the 30Ks, and a break below would well, potentially bring us down to about 24K. So yeah, I am half tempted to delete this trend line here, but we will keep it on, even though it is slightly cluttering the chart. But yeah, we'll keep it on for the time being. We'll actually extend it a little bit also. There we go. So yeah, keep an eye on that. So yeah, Bitcoin continues the daily grind. We are continuing to the upside. So yeah, let's have a look at that DXY though. DXY looking basically sat on its lows as well, below this support level. So this is looking like well, looking bearish basically. Looking like any second we can accelerate to the downside. But yeah, keep an eye on that, because obviously that would potentially get Bitcoin that extra $1,000 to the upside to get us that three handle, 30K handle basically. So yeah, DXY looking good for Bitcoin and its inverse relationship. Stock markets holding up there as well. Ethereum Bitcoin pairing. This is struggling, holding this horizontal here. So yeah, obviously I personally want to see this get going. But yeah, we'll see what happens. If we do, like I think I did say, if we do yesterday's video, if we do lose this level, then we are potentially, well, looking at coming back down and then back down some more. Bitcoin dominance as well, going up as well. Topped on a 4 hour 9 here, so we'll see whether this just brings us down for that potential head and shoulders pattern, and then if we break the neckline and see if that gets us a move down to about 67% Bitcoin dominance, we'll keep an eye on that one. Ethereum USD pairing though, holding up as you would expect, with Bitcoin going up and looking strong. Just holding up there in USD value, so looking very much like a bull flag here. But again, we'll have to see basically what happens with Bitcoin, and then also the Ethereum Bitcoin pairing. We'll just have a quick look at silver whilst we're here. Silver trying to break out the top of here. Pulled back. Is this the breakout of the back test, and are we gonna catapult to the upside? We will, well, probably find out in the next couple of days. Actually, couple of days. Yeah, today and tomorrow is Friday, isn't it? So yeah, the last two days of this week, last two trading days of this week. So yeah, back to Bitcoin. Not much else we can really look into this other than just we're continuing the grind until we don't. We'll have a look at the stochastics now to see if they are giving us an indication of any sort of potential incoming pullback or break to the upside. I mean, 4 hour looking good here, getting well up there, but looking good. 10 hour coming up nicely as well. So this is clearly bullish. Daily as well, pointing to the upside. So that's bullish. Sorry, not daily, 12 hour. Daily holding up there. 2 day there or thereabouts. 3 day looking good. 5 day looking good. Weekly holding up there. And then bi-weekly and monthly obviously looking great. So yeah, generally speaking, everything looking good. The trend is your friend. At some point, I'm sure Bitcoin will have a severe pullback, but it is always a question of when and from what level. It doesn't have to be now or from this level. It could be from any level. It could be from 40k. It could be from anywhere. So we've just got to watch out for it for when it happens. So yeah, quick video today. Not too much else to report. I've been aware of the fact that my morning videos have been, some of them have been getting up to the 20-minute stage, so that's probably a bit longer than some of you guys really wanna watch the morning video for. So yeah, keeping this one nice and short. So yeah, thank you for listening, guys. Well done for you guys that got into Wise in the pre-sale. We are now live now, so expect some more Wise videos today. And yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.